Hello, welcome to Insectex, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. Previous video we have covered the topics on exploits and the payloads, and we have gone in depth about the payloads and the exploits. So in this video we are going to focus on different types of exploits and its ranking, and we shall use these individual exploits against the target vulnerabilities. As in the previous video, we come to know different types of exploits and its ranking. In this video, I have taken an example, an exploit with Excellent. So we will be using this particular exploit for triggering the vulnerability. Let me open up the Mozilla Firefox, and this is the address for the following exploit, that is free SSHD authentication bypass. Okay, so this particular exploit, what it does is it bypasses the authentication vulnerability which is running on this particular application, that is on the free SSHD less than or equal to 1.2.6 versions. What I have done is I have taken up this particular application ranking which will be provided for you in the Excellent. I have downloaded these applications. This particular Excellent folder contains few applications, and these applications are vulnerable and remote code executions takes place, and the exploit ranking is having the Excellent rank. So I have chosen this particular application and I have installed it, and make sure that these two services are often and running. However, we are mainly focusing on this particular SSH service, and in the SSH service you need to enable the listen address, that is the attacker's IP, that is 192.168.159.132, and you need to click on apply, so which will start up the service. So, and you can notice down here that this particular SSH service is often on running. So now what we will do is we will start the framework and we will perform basic version detection. Already I did this. You can see here port number 22 SSH which is open, and 23 for the telnet. So this is the vendor. Let me open up new tab, type MSF console for launching the Metasploit framework console. Okay, use. Now we will be performing basic auxiliary scan for finding the version detection. Auxiliary scanner SSH version. Okay, now let us figure out the options to be filled, and it says rhost. That means we need to assign the remote targets, set and the IP address, and run the module, and we got the version. Good. Now what we will do is we will choose the exploit, use exploit Windows SSH free SSHD authentication bypass. This is the exploit, authentication bypass. Let me type show options. Here we need to assign the rhost, and we need to set the target. Set rhost and the target IP address 192.168.159.132, and set target 0, and we'll choose a bind TCP payload which creates a bind TCP meter-preter connection back to the attacker machine. So the payload is set payload Windows meter-preter bind underscore TCP. Show options to verify. So everything is filled correctly. Now let me type exploit, takes bit time. Okay, it is sending the stage payload, and finally we got the meter-preter session. Awesome. Sysinfo, we are on the victim machine, shell, and we are on the victim machine. Cool. So that's all for this video, where we have covered a high ranking exploit, and we have chosen this particular exploit for exploiting the remote vulnerability which is running on the XP box. In the next video we will choose other ranking exploits. It may be a good rank, manual, great. Okay, thanks for watching video.